the hazards may occur is when scaffolding is essential for accessing high areas, but if it's improperly assembled, overloaded, or lack guardrails, it can collapse. Workers using faulty scaffolds are at risk of falling from height. Secondly, workers near the edge of roof, scaffolds, or unfinished floors are at risk of falling if there are no guardrails or barriers. For example, a worker installing windows on an upper floor could easily lose balance and fall from the edge. Thirdly, ladders are often used on construction sites, but if they are damaged, improperly positioned, or unstable, workers may fall. For example, a ladder that is too short or placed on uneven ground can easily tip over. Then, construction sites are full of materials like tools and equipment, and when these items are left in walkways or uneven surface, workers can trip and fall. For instance, a worker might trip over a pile of materials left in a pathway, causing a fall. To address fall risk, it's essential to install guardrails and use personal fall arrest systems like harness and lanyards when working at height. These systems help prevent workers from falling or minimize the severity of falls. For example, after a fall incident, one company mandated the use of harness and belt guardrails, which greatly reduced future accidents. Then, training is crucial to preventive falls. Workers must be trained to recognize fall hazards, properly use fall protection equipment, and understand safe practice. Companies that implement comprehensive training program report fewer fall-related incidents. For instance, a construction company saw a 60% drop in falls after introducing hand-on training on fall arrest system. Scaffoldings, ladders, and fall protection equipment also must be regularly inspected to ensure they are in good working condition. Damage or faulty equipment increases the risk of falls. Daily checks and maintenance of equipment can prevent accidents. For example, if scaffolding has loose components or is purely anchored, it should be immediately repaired. Lastly, a clean and organized worksite is essential for preventing tripping hazards. Walkways should be clear of tools, materials, and debris. Workers should be encouraged to store tools and materials in designated areas and follow a clean as you go policy to keep paths clear. For example, a company that implemented better housekeeping practices reduced tripping accidents by a significant margin. In conclusion, fall hazards are one of the most dangerous risks on construction sites, but they can be minimized with proper fall protection through training, regular equipment inspection, and effective housekeeping. By making safety a priority, construction companies can reduce the risk of falls, protect workers, and create a safer work environment. That's all from me. Thank you.